you all some fudge, and this fudge is going to be a coffee flavored fudge. Now I'd like to say a special thank you to the guys at Roastal for providing me with the coffee for this recipe. So thank you, Roastal. So to make this fudge, I'll be brewing some of the coffee. I already brewed it ahead of time. It's very easy to brew coffee. You're going to put some of the coffee into a pot of water, allow it to brew, and then strain that, and we're going to use that strained coffee to make this fudge. Let's make some coffee flavored fudge.
So I'm going to start by placing 1 tin of evaporated milk in my pot, 1 tin of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of brewed coffee. Now if you brew the coffee and allow it to reduce, it will cut back on the cook time of the fudge. Add granulated sugar, and you want to allow this sugar to dissolve properly before you continue on cooking the fudge. If you don't, it's going to leave those crystal pieces and then you'll be biting into sugar. So allow that to dissolve and bring it up to a boil. And continue to stir continuously until the fudge starts to reduce. Once it's reduced, go in with butter. Now it took about 40 minutes for this to reduce. Let that butter melt, and when it starts to pull away from the sides of the pan and it starts to set on the side of the pan, the fudge is ready to be poured into your container. I'm using a non-stick pan for this. Allow it to set. And once it's set, you can go ahead and cut your fudge into small squares. And that's it. Once the squares are cut, your fudge is now ready to be enjoyed.
So the fudge is finished. I cut it up into squares. You see how thick it is? Now if you make half this amount, it will be a little thinner unless you put it in a very small container, but this is a pretty good size fudge. I can smell the coffee in the fudge. Now let me give it a taste. Right away, I get that coffee taste. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did and you make this, let me know down below if you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and share the video. Leave me your comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.